What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolf Pack. Oh man, I hope you are pouring yourself some potato vodka because we got ourselves a Putin pump. We got some green candles on the chart. It's looking beautiful. And wait, I said the hex was going to go down, but hex go up. What happened? Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the charts.
You big old sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. Two really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart. Finally, we're getting a nice little pump, but not a whole lot has changed. It is still really good to see some green candles after months and months of punishment, of abuse from these markets. After months of dumping, we are finally getting a little bit of a pump right here, same as March 22nd. We still have not taken out this critical resistance. And in fact, we are quite below it right now. We could pump, but as of right now, we have to assume that the trend is going to continue. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end of the trend. That's how we didn't get wrecked right here. I would rather get wrecked once during a trend change instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times front running a trend change. Looks like the big Russian bear is biting back against NATO and US sanctions. They are saying that unfriendly countries will have to purchase oil and natural gas from the Russian Federation with rubles, but with a caveat. Now they're saying they may accept gold and Bitcoin. So if you're an OG wolf pack, hit the like button because I made that video about how China and Russia may settle oil trades with gold. But the United States has to maintain its dollar hegemony. It has used the dollar as a weapon to secure its interests since it became the global reserve currency, and I don't think they're going to go out without a fight, and they have been looking for reasons to ban Bitcoin. So I do see some FUD coming off of this in the future. There is bullish news on Bitcoin everywhere you look. We even have ExxonMobil saying that they want to use the excess natural gas from their oil rigs to power Bitcoin miners. That is insane, but not as insane as El Salvador Bitcoin bonds. They might be issued by a geothermal company, meaning that they're going to take the energy and power from a volcano to power Bitcoin miners and then create bonds that yield higher than US treasuries. What in the world? It's like we're in an alternate timeline. Like crypto is literally taking over. However, there are some cross currents to worry about. The war in Ukraine is raging on with no end in sight. And that is going to cause food shortages and oil shortages. It is going to slow the global economy, and that is troublesome.
Nothing more to report. With regard to food shortage, yes, we did talk about food shortages. And it's going to be real. The price of these sanctions is not just imposed upon Russia. It's imposed upon an awful lot of countries as well, including European countries and our country as well.
So which one is it? Are we all going to starve to death, or are we all getting Lambos? And how do we know which way the price action is going to go? There is a lot going on in the world right now. It is absolutely chaotic. And I think that only price action can tell us what's going to happen. Let's get above this resistance. Let's get above 45K. Let's close some candles up there. Let's go off of what the charts say, because the world is absolute chaos.
Now we're in war with Ukraine and Russia. If we had a nuclear war, it would be worth it if it could just save one life.
Hex on the daily chart. Man, look at that pump. Back into the descending triangle above the 21 exponential moving average. Maybe I should quit YouTube after all of that shit that I talked.
Honestly, if you guys want to know, I'm leaving crypto because I'm going to go do what makes my soul happy.
In trading, you have to play the probabilities. When you set a lower low, and then you reject the bottom of the descending triangle on 0 volume, that is a trade to the downside. Now, of course, I cannot predict the Putin pump or anything like that. But even if we look at that, I mean, this volume is abysmal. Like, I would not buy this candle right now. Sure, it can go up, obviously, but we're playing probabilities. Imagine you and I are playing blackjack, right? And you hit a 19. The dealer is showing a 5. And I'm like, yo, you should stay. The probabilities are that he's gonna bust. You should totally stay. And you go, nah, I'm gonna hit. You hit, boom, you get a 2. You got 21, right? And you go, hey, see, I told you I should hit. Yes, you did hit, but eventually if you play that strategy, you will go broke. And I am still here after all of these years because I play the odds, because that's really all you can do. So what does it look like if Hex does break out? Really, with this volume right here, this pump, right? On this volume, I mean, the liquidity is really low on Hex right now. Yes, it could pump, but I definitely want to see us get out of this triangle. Now, the probabilities of a descending triangle breaking down are very high to the measured move. But if we can get above the triangle and maybe get some support and pop up, you know, I might start changing my mind. There's a lot of bullish things going on Hex. Things are turning around for Pulse Chain. It looks like there's a lot of development. They're a lot more open about what's going on and stuff like that. People are turning around. Sentiment is changing and liquidity is low. I mean, a giant break up or down is very possible, but the probabilities are still down. Our magical line, the 21 exponential moving average on the daily chart, has appeared for Hedron, and it looks like it is below the line, but we are not in a confirmed daily downtrend. When we do take out the bottom of this wick right here, 24,765, that will be a confirmed daily downtrend on that. I see it going down for a little while longer. Looks like the hype has sort of slowed down on this one. How about Kiba Inu? Kiba Inu is still pumping. I was hoping we can at least test a 21. I really like this project. I did a review on it. It's my favorite meme project right now. I'm just looking for the right entry. You know, I don't want to buy the top of a candle. This is a bear market. You know, I'm waiting for an entry. It'd be nice to get in right around here, right around 110 right here. The one thing that is absolutely mooning is the housing market. I am in the housing market right now, and it is an absolute disaster. People are going way over asking, no inspections. That is where the FOMO is right now, but I think that is about to burst. In fact, I did read one article that says people, the average American, made more money on their homes, over $60,000 a year, made more money on their homes than they did in salary. Okay, so the housing market is the next big giant bubble, but that might be about to burst because the mortgage rates are moving like a shitcoin. They're up to about 4.5%, and I don't see them slowing down. I do see these Fed rate hikes taking the steam out of the housing market. The question is, where is all that money going to go? Me and you and I, we all hope that it's going to go back into shitcoins and pump our bags. Anyways, guys, I hope everybody that is watching this right now has a Lambo, gets rich, gets a Sky Dweller, finds somebody that they love and loves them back. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, join the Wolf Pack, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.